Hello. Hungry, hungry. I need food. I fell in the water. The water was cold. Brr, cold. I am picking the sugarcane. I am picking it. Cold water. There are some clouds. It is cloudy. I see the sun. It is sunny. This is water. Don't drink this. This is the ocean. The ocean is big, very big. That is a coral reef. There is a lot of coral. This is my house. It is small. This is bamboo. It is tall. I am hitting the bamboo. I will use a sword. Use a sword. I will hit it again. The bamboo. It. The bamboo is falling. I cut the bamboo with my sword. It is falling on the sand. I got a lot of bamboo. This is my wheat. That is a pumpkin. The water is very cold. I am walking. I am running. Jump, jump. The sand is hot, not cold, hot. I am going up. I will jump in the water. Whee! The water is very cold. I don't like it. There is a lot of seaweed in the water. I am going to the jungle. The jungle is very big. This tree is tall, tall. I hit the cocoa beans with my sword. I am now walking on sand. The sky, it started raining. I see a pig and a cow. Hello there. It is raining. It is very rainy. This tree is short, not tall. I need more wheat seeds. I am using my sword. Sorry, pig. I am sorry. I am very sorry. I am cold now. I am getting a lot of bamboo. I have a lot of bamboo. There are no birds. I don't see any birds. Not one. I don't see any. I used my stone sword. There is a lot of rain. I am hungry. I will eat. I need food. There is no sun. It is not sunny. I am eating. There are a lot of clouds. It is cloudy. I ate watermelon. Not one watermelon. I ate some watermelon. Some. I am using my sword again. I am cutting it with my sword again. I am happy. I saw a cute pig. I am not happy. I broke my sword. I am hitting some leaves. Not one, some. I don't have any swords now. Not one. I am hitting the leaves with bamboo. It is very rainy. I am happy. I am not hungry now. I am hitting the watermelon with some bamboo. Yay! I see cute pandas. I like pandas. Pandas are very cute. They are very cute. Not one panda, but pandas are very cute. I am happy now. The bamboo is very tall. I got some dirt. I broke some grass. I don't have any iron. That is a panda. It is very cute. I am in a cave. I see lava. Lava is very, very hot. Very hot. I placed a torch. I am placing torches in the cave. I see some iron. I need more iron. I am mining again. There isn't a lot of iron. There is some coal. Not a lot. I don't have any torches now. I need more sticks. I will make more torches. I will use the sticks and the coal. I am making some torches. I will use the torches in the cave. Torches are hot. Don't eat torches. I want more iron. I want some diamonds. I want more emeralds. I want more lapis lazuli. I see more iron. Yay! I am very happy now. There is a lot of stone too, and some coal. There is a lot of lava. It is very hot. Don't drink this. It is very, very, very hot. I will get the iron now. I want an armadillo. I will go to the mesa again. I am mining again. I am mining the iron. The iron is cold. I place torches on the stone. I will make some planks. I need planks. I need a crafting table. I will make a furnace. I need a furnace. I need one furnace. One. I have a furnace. I have one. I placed the furnace, and now I will put some iron in it. This cave is small. It is not big. The cave is not big. It. The furnace. It. I have some white carpets. I have some red sand too. I have some orange terracotta too. I made an iron sword. I need more iron. I will mine more. I will dig more. I will go in more caves. It is raining. It is rainy. There is a lot of rain. It isn't sunny. There isn't any sun. It is very cloudy. Wow! There is a lot of coal. This is coal. I will mine it. I will hit it with a pickaxe. I will have a lot of coal. I don't eat coal. Now I will get my iron ingots. I put the iron ingots In my inventory. I have a lot in my inventory. I now have a furnace and a crafting table in my inventory. Now I will go to my house again. There is iron in the water. That is a vine. This is lava. The lava is very hot. Ah, whoops. Ah, hot. The lava is hot. I need water. Now I need food. I stopped the lava. I see the vine again. Tarzan used vines. Tarzan likes vines. Oh. It is raining. There is a lot of rain. It is rainy. It is very cloudy. I will place some torches. I see more vines. I am running. I am running. I see the sunset. The sunset is very beautiful. Not cute. Pigs are cute. Armadillos are cute. Sunsets are beautiful. I don't like zombies. I like pandas. Pandas are cute. There is a lot of grass and dirt. It is night. I don't see the moon. There are no stars. I am in the water. I fell in the water. I don't see any seaweed. I see a lot of sand. I don't see any islands. I see land. There are no tall trees. There are zombies in the water too. I saw some squid again. It isn't raining. It is cloudy. There is no rain in the desert. I fell in the water again. Open, close. Open, close. This is my chest. I will put a lot in my chest. I see a diamond, iron nuggets, lapis lazuli, some doors, a lot of bamboo, some coal, some watermelon slices, some sugarcane. I have a lot now. I need more. I need more diamonds. I don't need cocoa beans now. I don't need orange terracotta. I don't need red sand. I don't need dirt. And I don't need mud. I have a lot of bamboo in my chest. I don't have a lot of bamboo in my inventory. I need more wheat and more food. I am hungry. I am very hungry. I will put iron in the furnace. No stars, no moon. It is cloudy. To my bed. Good night.